Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to turn off Dnssec from your Squarespace website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official squarespace.com website right here if you're not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by your main page right here. So this is going to be your home page after logging in, where you can find your dashboard with all the websites you can access. As you can see here, I have my websites, and now I can get started with editing them. So basically guys, if we want to go ahead and turn off the DNS, this is what we can do. As you can see guys, on this official tutorial page of Support Squarespace, we have the steps we need to follow. Basically, we are going to open up our domains dashboard that you can find right here in the main page, and click domains at the top of the screen next to your dashboard. Click on domains, and after doing so guys, you can see it's going to open up all the domains that you have. Currently, I do not have any, but if you have your domains, they're going to go ahead and appear right here. So what we're going to do next is, as you can see, click the domain you're editing, and then we're going to click DNS and then click the Dnssec. So here under your domain, click DNS and select the Dnssec option, and after that you can just switch off the toggle beside the DNS security extensions toggle. As you can see, just switch it off, and after that you'll be able to successfully turn it off and it will no longer be applied to your domain. And basically guys, that's all you have to do, and it's how easy it is to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.